morning and welcome to Raymies garage. Today we're working on this 370Z and we're going to be changing the belt here, and we are going to be replacing all the pulleys and belt tensioner, which is this here. So we're going to get that stripped off, put all the new pulleys on, new belt on, doing that because it's making a bit of a noise. So we'll take some bits off to get access to it, what we got underneath as well, and we'll get to it. I'm going to remove the bottom cover plate. Apprentice Paul's going to do that. That'll give us better access to the belts and pulleys. So we can see the pulley, the tension. It gives you a bit of better access to put the belt on and stuff.
It's probably a lot easier for down here than
above. See if there's much oil about that. Put up here.
There's a lot of oil here. Whether that's oil or coolant, no.
Aye, it's not bad. Okay.
Mashimoto.
So I'll take the expansion tank off. I need a wee screwdriver just to pop these two off, and we'll just gently take the pressure off that.
A wee bit hot.
No, they'll be smaller. So this needs to be replaced with a nice stainless steel. I'll take that off a wee bit more.
It's the glue.
Is it?
Yeah.
Maybe a wee bit better repairing that.
That's a bit glued. It does need fixed. It done the job though. This wee one. Well, should I try and take the hose off that one?
Lift it up a wee bit, see what's holding that. There'll be a hose. Aye, need to take the hose off that. Try just taking the hose rather than the
whole broken bit. That's coming off. It's very loose on it is. We need to take that off. Is it loose enough to pull off? If I remember right, it's the actual plastic bit that's harder to get out.
Yeah, it's these bits are prone to breaking. That bit there. It's not that important. However, let's see, there's a hose at the bottom of that. I don't know if we could just lean that over there.
That'll be alright. It's fucking pulling out there.
So we've got the expansion bottle out to give us a wee bit more room. We've removed that hose. We'll bung that up. And what we'll do is get the belt off and get the pulleys off. So what we need to do is get our 1/4 inch drive in there, just to take the tension off the tensioner. And I can't remember if it was that way. I think it's that is quite stiff, that tensioner, isn't it?
Aye, we thought that's the last time it was on stuff.
So take that belt off there. Off there and let that back down. Take that off. So that's taking the tension off the belt. And
What, you got it?
got it, yes, well, I kind of got it. Right, so let's just get the belt off. 1, 2, 3. And there's one down the bottom, where we get that from the bottom. So, that's the new tensioner. I'll probably have to use that bolt. An idler pulley and 2 other pulleys, so they're all matching. So we're going to give it a wee clean up, new belt as well, that's fine. It's a wee bit old, that is a wee bit of movement in it. That one's much more solid. This one's a wee bit stiff, probably gunge and stuff in there, but keep that as a spare.
That's why I noticed a lot of gunge on the body, the hinging, behind the tension.
Yeah, so that's the idler on, well, it's on slack. I've got the ribbed pulley on there. I've got the idler on here, and there's another rib that goes on there. So I'll just try and thread them in there. In fact, I just want to chest check. Use the old idler pulley, Paul. Right, so we'll just hand tighten this now. So these are 28 Newton meters. Oh, they're a different size.
Bigger?
No, let me get this side.
It's just awkward to hear that, so I'll just stay here in case.
As long as it starts, that's the thing.
Aye, it's just getting my hand up there.
That's it. I'll just put the socket on it.
Get it?
Well, this is 19. Let's try that. That's us.
Get it for there.
Right. You got it for that side?
Aye, I've got a good angle for it if I can just get out here. That's good.
Something with my foot there.
Aye, sorry. That should be.
That's it. And right, last time, ribbed pulley. That was just the wind it up.
That fucking right.
Let's go see if you can feel it. That's it. Feel it
That
click?
click?
Aye.
Ah, right. Cool.
That's that. Now,
Aye, right, cool.
this is the problem child, this one.
Yeah.
It is going in, it's just getting the right leverage.
Aye, that's a good idea.
Click, did you hear it there?
No. Fucking say that.
No, that was me tautting it. There you go, that's fine. So difficult to get that one to taut with a socket, so we've used our experience and eye.
It'll not get down there, won't it?
No. You can try it if you want.
It's only 56, it's not like
Aye. Okay, so now we need to figure out how to put the belt on, the way it come off. I've got Paul to go under the car. We'll have a go at it before we look at the drawing. So this is us going over the air conditioning pump, or air conditioning compressor. What, where are you, Paul? Oh yeah, there. Now I'll go over there.
I'll just squeeze to your left.
Right, so that's us got the belt on. We haven't tested it yet. We've got the right drawing for it, so all we've got to do now is we'll put the airbox back in, because we took that out to give us a bit of space. Get the hoses fitted, we'll get that back on again, and we'll fire it up and see how it goes. Airbox. Try and get it in the hose first.
No, that's never happening. It's just that one bit there. There we go.
Shoot. Let's feel it's in the grommets. Sits in that wee recess there. So, mass airflow sensor, screwdriver. Bolt.
Aye, the longer one.
Screwdriver in the world.
I think you're right. Just down.
That's fine. That's that in, that in. This hose on now. Speciality pliers. That's you right. Well, we'll try it first before we attempt to repair this.
Oh, we should have put the Sharpie mark on the tank.
Oh, so we should have. Right, so we're all ready to try it. I'll get that wee bit of coolant off there. Right, we want to fire it up, see how it goes. All taut. Just be ready to switch it off, but it should be alright. Go. There we go, that's that, easy enough done. So that's us finished fitting the drive pulleys and the new belt for the Nissan 370Z. We do have a couple other wee things we need to do this car. We're going to change the shifter. We put a short shifter on that, which is not great. So we're going to put the original back on. But that's it for this video, guys. A wee bit different from our normal Range Rover. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now.